What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get House Flipper 2 for free on every platform. So this is now available on not only Steam and PC, but it's also now available on Xbox and PS4/PS5. So I've managed to find a working and reliable method to get House Flipper 2 for completely free, and that's what I'm going to show you today, guys. It's a fun game, but it's still pretty expensive, especially if you want to purchase it on a console, and I've managed to find a working method to get it for free. So you need to use your mobile phone, guys. I've got an iPhone here, but it does work on Android. So yeah, let's get into it. Open up your mobile phone internet and go to www.wavycoupons.com. So you've just got to type this website exactly like this, guys, to go to Wavy Coupons. Now, this is an awesome website. I discovered them a few months ago, and they've saved me so much money. Apologies if you can hear me sniffling in the background. I've got a cold, but yeah, I wanted to record this video regardless. So go to the search bar here and just type in house. And basically, guys, navigate your way to this page, the House Flipper 2 free digital game code. Now, this is going to get you a game code that you can redeem on whatever platform you choose, and it's going to download a full version of the game, pretty much the same as if you purchased it via a third-party website. So I personally play on Xbox. I've already got the game, so I'm not going to run through the entire process, but yeah, I'll talk you through it regardless. So you need to click on show code on whatever platform you choose. You can get it for PlayStation, PC, Steam, or Xbox. And then you need to basically unlock your digital game code. These codes are pretty valuable. Obviously, this game, as you can see, is around $40 US. So this prevents people from stealing all of the codes to make a profit. So you need to unlock your personal code, guys. So tap unlock code. When this little circle gets to 100%, you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you how to get your code. It's super easy, guys. You just need to complete a couple of tasks to verify you are not a robot. And once you've done that, it will reveal your full code. Like I said, I've already done this, so I want to save these limited codes for you guys. But yeah, head over to wavycoupons.com and just follow through all of the instructions. It's pretty easy, and that's how you can get House Flipper 2 for completely free. Smash that like button if I helped you get the game, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Enjoy.